You're ready?
Yes.
You ready to clean?
Yes.
You ready to clean the garden?
Yes. This is my
All
first
right.
time doing it. Whoa. This is our second time, right?
Yeah, it's your second time actually helping out. So here everything is a mess. Look at how messy it is. But anyway, we gotta do what we gotta do. All right, let's do this. You ready?
Yes. Since we don't find our Paw Patrol glove, we can just use these gloves instead, so we can tie them up.
Okay. You ready?
Yes.
You ready?
Yes.
Where's your brother?
Over there.
He's not even ready. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Dede, the mom, the boss. How are you guys doing? I hope you're doing amazing because I am doing great. So as you guys can see, today it's a front porch makeover for the fall season. I know people are already in the Christmas season, but I'm still in the fall season. And as you know, the front porch is always my last spot somehow because I am not an outdoor person. I am today with my little babies and they are helping out. This is what they love to do. Everything outdoors, they are interested. They want to water so bad and they just want to be part of taking care of plants and all that. But I'm not an outdoor person, pardon me. So yeah, I'm also heavily pregnant, as you know, and it's been hectic. It's been a very difficult pregnancy for me, but I'm taking it easy and we thank God for progress each day. So yeah, guys, I'm here in the front porch. We are trying to take out the shrubs, the unwanted shrubs from this little garden, and just to make it not look perfect, but look okay, all right? Nightfall met us outside. My kids, this is their favorite time, just watering whatever flowers are in the garden. All our colorful flowers died and we just have the greens, which are what can maintain any kind of weather. So this is what we have so far. It is nightfall and I'm just going to take out the old unwanted decor, which was artificial flowers. And now guys, please clap for your girl because she's going to replace all of these flowers with natural flowers. Please guys, just give me some accolades. Clap for me. Tell me something nice in the comment section. I would love to see it.
Don't know what it means to be loyal and kind. I know that you're not blind. Tell me what is really on your mind. You know you're already accepted. To me, you're always picture perfect.
So if you're new to my channel, hello and welcome. On this channel, we do not take life too seriously. We do a lot of home decoration and I've been introducing some clean with me's and I've gotten a lot of requests to involve my kids more and they want to see day in my life. But then I am working on that, guys. So yeah, this is the next day before the sunrise. I was just trying to get this front porch over with and so I decided to go ahead and clean.
I see them pulling your strings and you might be seeing.
Please ignore my very big tummy. Don't think I'm already due. I'm not even due. I'm not even near due. This is how I get big. I know if you're one of those that, if you know somebody who gets this big, if you're one of those that gets really big in pregnancy, please let me know. I get very ugly, very big, just very everything. I tell my husband every day, I just feel like when I'm pregnant, I'm wearing a mask, which is not me. It's almost like this is not even me. It's like I don't even know how. I can't recognize myself when I'm pregnant. But anyway, it is what it is. So I will say something about those who are new. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell if you like content like this, and if you're an oldie but a goodie, you know I heart you, right? Thank you for your support. Without you, I would not be here today. Thank you all so much. I hope you're enjoying the video. If you are, please leave me a comment, like this video, and share it to inspire somebody to clean their home today.
So am I.
So I am mopping the floors just because they were white and I was wanting them to be, you know, like the color of the walls. As you can see, you know, like the brown that is on the wall, the brown bricks that are on the wall. But after it got dry, it got white again, and at least it's clean, right? It's just like mopping your floor. So I really need some recommendations on what to do to keep this floors this color instead of as white as it is when it gets dry. So please help your girl with recommendations. I would love to have ideas. The 4 topiaries were gotten from at home. This floor mat were gotten from Walmart. The planters were gotten from Ross, and my beautiful moms were gotten from a local grocery store here in Houston, HEB. And when I saw this, I said, yes, this is all I need for this front porch. And I was ready for the front porch makeover, finally. And this big moms, oh my god, I was super excited for it. Like, look at this beauty. How does this not warm your heart? And guess what, guys? I went with natural pumpkins. Listen, your girl has changed. So I'd love to know what your favorite piece on this front porch is. And if you've watched up to this point, thank you so much. I would love it if you can comment front porch down below. Let's get ready for the tour.
To be the one that he turns to when he's out of answers. What's it like to be the one that he comes to when he wants to dance? And I wonder what's that like? I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish he felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. What's it like to hold his hand when he tells you that you're all he wants? And it's midnight, I want the